Picture yourself snorkeling in the most beautiful waters in the world. 2 million people each year set out to do just that, in the Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is notably one of the most beautiful places in the world and called an underwater treasure by many. But there is a problem within the oceans and our coral reefs, and that's sunscreen. 14,000 tons of sunscreen are predicted to wash into the oceans every year. 82,000 chemicals from personal care products are currently damaging the water and its wildlife that calls the ocean its home. It is estimated that 80% of the corals located in the Caribbean, which is a highly visited place and attraction, have been lost in the last 50 years. Sunscreen is damaging the oceans, but luckily there is a safe and effective alternative: biodegradable sunscreen. Regular sunscreen such as Banana Boat and Hawaiian Tropic contain chemicals such as oxybenzone. When the chemical is applied to someone, this sunscreen enters the water and the chemical washes off the body and into the water. It is then absorbed by the coral. This leads into a cycle where the nanoparticles distribute into the coral's growth and daily reproduction, which leads to bleaching. The corals that are the most at risk currently are the Great Barrier Reef, the bays in Hawaii, the U.S. Virgin Islands, and the shores in Israel. These are two of many examples of coral reefs being bleached and destroyed due to sunscreen. On the other hand, some research shows why biodegradable sunscreen could be a myth, and this is according to a Spartan-Saving article published in 2017. The sun emits UV rays with a wavelength between 10 and 400 nm. Rays can be harmful if sunscreen is not applied correctly or not applied at all. To protect ourselves from wrinkles, sunburn, and cancer, sunscreen was developed to reflect these UV radiation rays. Humans need sunscreen to stay safe from these rays, but unfortunately, even the best sunscreen can come with some concerns and drawbacks. Sunscreen contains mineral filters where titanium dioxide reacts with UV lights and can cause cellular damage in plant cells. In addition, zinc oxide, a mineral sunscreen ingredient, are toxic to the root of some plants. As this chemical bioaccumulates, it causes toxicity to freshwater fish in the ocean. Even the smallest amount of some filter can change and cause coral bleaching too. Research shows both sides of the coin for biodegradable sunscreen, but we have to ask ourselves the tough question: would we rather be safe or sorry? Here's a picture graph of how sunscreen has changed over time and through the years. In the end, we only have one Earth to call our home. The way to protect our Earth is to take one step at a time, and biodegradable sunscreen is definitely a step in the right direction. Brands such as Sunbum or Tropic Sands are great options at an affordable price. On May 1st, 2018, Hawaii banned the sale of sunscreen that contained oxybenzone and oxynitrate. Hawaii is the first state to take this measure. Coral reefs are a huge part of the underwater ecosystem, and if they die, a vital part of the ocean would be lost forever. Steps are being taken to protect our reefs behind the scenes, and now I have to ask the question: what are you doing to protect the Earth? Finally, I have two jokes that are sure to get a laugh. Did you hear about the tanning Olympics? Everyone was trying to get a bronze. And what happens when a baby corn doesn't wear sunscreen? It turns into popcorn. Bye. Thanks for watching.